Behind your back. I'm done with this.
Let me do something.
Give me your hand.
Give me
Quit
your hand.
resisting.
Quit resisting. I got it.
Now you're going to jail.
On the 26th of January 2025, in Orlando, Florida, local police arrested a man for intoxication at Orlando International Airport's passenger terminal. The incident began when airport security personnel asked the man to leave the area due to inappropriate behavior after drinking. Despite authorities spending over 10 minutes trying to persuade him, explaining his property rights, and even assisting with calling a taxi, the man continued to argue and refused to cooperate, leading to the events shown in the video.
He's that big. Yeah, you're good. You're good. How are you taking an Uber out of here?
What do you need?
No, you don't. I don't need that.
I don't care. I'm walking.
Yeah. How are you getting out of
I'm
there?
walking.
How are you getting out of there?
I'm walking.
You're walking out of
Yeah.
there?
Okay. You have any problem with that?
I do not.
Okay, thank you so much.
All right, let's stop going back and forth. Let's go.
No.
yeah. Come on, let's go.
No. Don't even touch me. I can walk as much as I want. Okay, have a good night. Thanks so much for coming. I don't care about you.
That's all I'm telling you.
I don't care about you. I walk, I do whatever I want. Okay, have a good night. Have a good night. Don't even say nothing to me. Nothing. No. Even look at me. Go. I don't know you. Look at this. I don't care about you. No, I touch you. I'm touching you. You touch it. You don't touch me.
Let's go.
You see that? No. I'm gonna walk. Look at this. I'm doing something wrong?
No, you're good. You're good.
No, I'm sorry. I wanna ask you a question. Hey, I do something wrong? No. Okay, thanks so much. You go home.
All right.
Go night. Go night. No. I'm not doing anything. Look. I can walk as much as I wanted. I can walk. No. I don't care.
I'm agreeing with you.
I'm sorry. I can walk there, babe. I'm gonna walk as much as I wanted. Do you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna walk as much as I want. I'm gonna go back and forth as much as I want. Do you have any question on that?
No, good.
I'm good.
Stop.
No. Do I do something wrong?
It's cool. I'm with you. I'm on your side.
I'm gonna go that way.
Perfect.
And come back
That's awesome.
as many times as I want.
Okay.
Perfect.
Good.
Do you have any question?
No, let's go.
Any question?
I don't.
Very good.
Perfect.
Do you know what you're gonna do? You're gonna home, 9. You gonna 9. I'm gonna be boom. I don't care. You guys are me up because I was drinking. No. You guys are me up because I was drinking. You say I cannot drink anymore. You know what I'm gonna do right now?
I just met you right now.
I'm gonna be walking.
All right.
Forth and back as much as I want. What are you gonna do to me?
Nothing. I'm going to walk with you.
Oh, thank you so much. You're gonna
You're very
follow me?
welcome.
Let's go.
Come on, buddy.
We appreciate it.
No, I don't appreciate you.
Okay.
I don't care about you.
Okay.
I don't know you.
I don't either.
But you know what? I'm gonna be a bad person. I'm gonna be forth and back.
Awesome.
Oh, policia. Oh, no. Hold on. There is something wrong? No.
It was an accident.
No. I know. I'm not going. You don't understand. I'm gonna be forth and back. I'm gonna be. You guys have something to do tonight. You're gonna find out. That's fine. No. I'm telling you. Do you know something happening? I'm gonna be a person. You're gonna be not liking me.
You want him. You want him.
We need to go.
No. Hold on. What are you? No.
Yo, ma'am. Tell him he needs to go.
No.
Tell him he needs to go.
Hey, we got a nice one.
No, you don't touch me. I touch you. Sir, you're good. Just go.
You're gonna try
I don't understand what's going
My
on.
friend, you have your ID on there?
Why?
Please. I need it.
No. You don't.
Yeah, I need to put it on the paper.
Why?
Because we responded here.
No, why?
You're going to be trespassed.
I'm going to be trespassed.
Yes.
Why?
Because they are in charge of the
I'm going to ask you a
airport.
question. What I'm doing, that I'm going to trespass.
You're causing a disturbance.
No.
I heard you from all the way down
sitting
there.
down
Okay,
here.
listen. It's not us. They run the airport.
Who?
These people right here. We do what they tell us.
How going to be
Okay,
trespassing?
I just need your ID real quick.
I'm not going to give you.
You leaving?
I'm
You need to leave the airport.
Yeah.
You're being trespassed from the airport. You cannot come back.
Okay, what are you gonna
You
do?
understand me?
Yeah,
I'll
what are you
take you
gonna
to jail.
Initially, authorities approached, persuaded, and guided the individual to the passenger pickup area to leave the scene. However, The man adamantly refused to comply, displayed an uncooperative attitude, and refused to provide his identification documents as requested by the authorities. Deliberately remaining after being disqualified from being present will lead to criminal charges rather than just administrative penalties. This behavior not only disrupts public order, but also seriously violates aviation security regulations, potentially resulting in a criminal record and a permanent flight ban.
Why?
Because you're being trespassed.
How?
Let me have your ID.
I'm leaving.
Let's
I'm
go.
going.
You're going out. You're going out the airport. Let's go.
I got a question
Let's go.
for you.
I'll talk to you while we walk. Let's go. Come on, we'll walk. I'll talk to you. Hold this for a minute. They'll follow us.
Can I ask a question?
Yeah, let's walk and I'll ask you, man. I'll talk to you.
Sorry, I'm just
Come on. You call. Look, I come up here. I heard you from all the way over there.
You're
Okay.
doing in jail, or you're doing in...
I don't want to take you to jail.
No, but I'm a question.
But the airport is
I
trespassing
understand.
you.
I just want to ask you a
Yeah,
question.
yeah. Ask.
Who is the one in charge?
Of the airport?
Yeah,
Those
no.
gentlemen.
No. Who is the person talking to me?
I'm talking to you now.
I'm asking a question for you.
Yeah. What's the question?
My flight being in jail, how to say, delayed.
I'm not. I'm just don't want to bump in you.
No, I don't. People, I'm not gonna do nothing to you.
You're fine. I'm not worried about
They
that.
follow me. I'm
Yeah, they're just. It's a little loud, so they're being concerned.
Let me ask you.
But we're gonna go walk over to here. So. Sorry. You're all right.
What's your name?
I'm Keith.
Let me tell
You are?
Ilma.
Anyway, nice to meet you.
Look, I'm a lawyer in my country. I don't want to do anything. I don't
Okay.
want any problem.
But listen, the airport. This is private property. The airport people own it. If they say they want you trespass,
I'm going-
we have to abide by that.
Yeah, okay.
Okay.
I'm leaving.
Yeah, I'm gonna walk with you. You're good.
Look,
I want to make sure they know that. I'm
not
gonna say,
resisting.
hey, he left.
Can
Okay.
you tell people?
You need an Uber? Or
No, I'm gonna get.
You need an Uber or you need a cab?
I will get a new Uber.
All right, come on downstairs for the Ubers. I'm showing you where to go.
The incident began when authorities attempted to remove the man from the restricted area to de-escalate the situation and initiate dialogue. However, instead of complying, the man repeatedly challenged their authority, restarting the old argument and actively obstructing the removal process.
Oh, policia! Oh, no, hold on.
At this point, his conduct met the criteria for trespassing under Section 810.08 of Florida law, as he intentionally remained in the area after receiving a legitimate warning from airport personnel. His self-proclaimed understanding of the law, combined with his deliberate refusal to leave, clearly established the element of fault mens rea, the intent required for a criminal charge. Instead of ending the argument, the man turned around, becoming physically aggressive, verbally abusive, and continuing to provoke the officers, transforming what should have been a simple matter of removing the man from the area into a clear case requiring immediate arrest.
They're in charge.
Judge, what?
They're in charge of the airport.
But you police, I'm saying I'm gonna leave.
Okay, tell her where you need to go so we can get you the right cab.
I wanna go to Florida Mall.
Florida Hotel.
Florida Mall, the mall.
Okay, but the mall, okay.
Esse mesmo.
Okay, but I have to know, like, exactly when to drop you that's wrong from here.
What is?
You're gonna go with him. You drive a 774.
No, I don't know these people. I don't know.
Hey,
No.
don't give me that.
No. No.
Is this something that I should worry about before he goes?
No, he's not violent. Yeah.
He's not going me. He's not
No,
going
you're going by
me.
yourself.
These people, I don't know them. I don't know these people.
They just brought you to me.
Okay,
Yeah.
por
To make
eso.
sure you safe.
It's you and her. You and her,
No.
buddy.
I want to make sure that she know. I'm not
Yeah, we're
going
not-
with you. I'm not going
I
with
know
you.
they police.
No. You said to me, I'm not getting arrested, right?
No.
Okay.
You're free to go.
I'm not going with you. I'm not
Okay,
going with
Do
you.
not touch me.
No, these people here, I'm not going. None of them.
Okay.
No, zero. Zero. He's going home. He's going 99. He's going 99.
Come on.
No.
Walk the
Don't
cart,
touch.
your tag's right there.
He's going 99. He's going. Esse going 99. Então vai dormir. Vai dormir.
Okay, you ready to go?
No.
They're ready for you.
You go home.
I have to be here till 6 in the morning.
You just said to me. You come to me. You bring. Now I go. You're 99.
Okay, go get in your cab.
Ciao.
Go get in your, I'm not
I
leaving.
will.
I'm
Why?
not leaving till you get in the cab.
I don't get it.
I'm done with this. I'm done with this. Yeah. You get in the cab or you give me your ID? If you get in the cab, I don't need your ID.
You just said.
All right, well, let's get in the cab.
Sorry.
All right, let's go.
Good luck to you, my friend.
Thank you so much.
Have a blessed day.
Can I tell you something?
What?
You're doing something wrong.
No, I'm doing everything
No,
right.
no, because I'm a poor people.
Please.
Y cuando una persona hace malo,
Okay,
tú
you're
no
gonna
haces.
talk yourself into something you don't want to do. Go.
What are you gonna tell me?
Come on, let's go. Come on.
Question to I just don't want people like this.
He's not violent or anything.
Okay.
Yeah, he's fine. He's a good guy.
You see that?
He was just worried.
You see what you guys making him feel?
No,
He's
you
feeling
were
bad.
making him feel like
he's
that.
feeling worse.
You're fine. He's fine. Let him
You know
load
what
your
you guys
stuff.
need to do? You need to guys fight crime, not me.
Okay.
Because
Have a
I'm
good night, my
no,
friend.
I'm gonna tell you something. I'm
Okay.
not fighting
I'm
crime.
done listening. You need to leave.
Because,
I'm done listening.
why are you mad with me?
Because I want you to get to your
But
spot.
I'm telling you. I'm
you
just
told me
saying
a
to
lot
you.
of stuff. The gentleman's waiting. He's
I'm
trying to make
telling
money.
You need to fight crime, not me.
I'm fighting crime.
No, you're not.
Go ahead.
You're talking to me.
Have a good
A
night.
poor person.
Have a good night.
A poor guy. American person. What are you doing talking to me?
The gentleman's going to leave and you're not going to have a
How are you
cab.
doing, Americano?
Bye-bye.
Can I have your name?
No.
No, I'm gonna have your name.
Right there.
I will take a photo.
Want a card?
Oh no, I will
I'll give you a card.
I have phone.
I got card.
Do you know what phone means? I can
There
take
you
a
go.
phone. No, I don't carry a phone.
There you go. There you go. That's me right there. Phone number and everything.
Do you know I'm gonna do this?
You can keep it.
No, I'm gonna go. You guys will report on.
Go for it, man.
Because you're doing to me.
Okay.
He's a piece of shit.
In the car. No, you're not a piece of shit. I do not think you're a piece of shit.
You do?
No, I don't.
Hey, I'm not talking to you.
No. Please get in the car.
What are you gonna do? Hey, but you see that?
I'm done. You ready? Put your hands behind your back. I'm done with this.
Let me do something.
Give me your hand.
Give me
Quit
your hand.
resisting.
Quit resisting. I got it. Get him on his side.
More than ample warnings, my friend. More than ample warnings. Now you're going to jail.
Sir, let me ask you something. I just wanna go home.
Okay.
I don't wanna do anything wrong.
Well, right now you're going to jail
Why?
for trespass after warning.
But I didn't do anything wrong.
So they told you to leave several times.
I was fine.
I would love to explain to you how this works if you let me. If you don't interrupt me, okay? If you tell me, if I'm at your house and you tell me to leave several times and I don't leave, I'm trespassing. That's kind of how that works. This is their house. In the burgundy and in the gray polo shirts, the airport is their property, okay? They told you to leave a bunch of times and you didn't leave. You made your effort to come here, however, you didn't leave. You didn't hurry up and got in a cab. Therefore, you were trespassing still, okay? That's how that works.
Can I just go?
No, it's too late now. You could have, you had a chance to.
I
and you
was
didn't.
trying.
No, you weren't.
A misguided decision led to the complete collapse of the false ego when confronted with legal reality. The man, who considered himself a lawyer, completely ignored direct legal warnings about property rights at the airport. His actions constituted trespass under Florida Section 810.08. The moment his stay was revoked by airport representatives, the arrest was an inevitable consequence. According to the Graham versus Comblish, Kenora case, the police used force at an objectively reasonable level. No injury, just enough to subdue passive resistance. The lack of cooperation and signs of disorderly conduct, FS 856.011, transformed a civil assistance situation into a mandatory criminal proceedings aimed at ensuring aviation security and public order.
What's the name of your police officer, the guy?
What happened?
What's the name of the guy?
I don't, what's his
The
name?
name of the guy.
Oh, you took a picture of it and he gave you a card.
But you guys took me out.
No, but you still have all that stuff. It's in your property.
Bro, I just wanna go home.
We would have loved for you to go home. I wanted you to go home.
Sir, cooking a home for him.
He's busy.
I just wanna go to my house, bro. I don't wanna do anything. I'm
Where do you live?
Kissimmee.
Yeah, right now it's too late.
Why you guys take me? Bro, you guys gonna destroy my life for no reason.
We didn't do it. You did it. Before Sarge gets here, so we put him in the back. All right, so we're gonna stand up, okay? As much as I could on the left side, I believe. We gotta get the right side.
Yeah. I want to put him in the back.
Hey, we're gonna stand up, okay? Yep.
We're just waiting on the medics to come and check the scrape on his forehead. Yeah.
You're gonna sit right here. Can you uncross them? We're gonna take your blood pressure. So. Oh, it's alright. You're fine.
Okay.
Sir, you've been trespassed off of property. You cannot come back on property for 2 years. If you want to fly out, you have to find another airport to fly out. If you're caught back on property in that 2 years, we will press charges and there's a possibility you will go back to jail again.
You understood what he told you? No? You understand Spanish? You don't understand Spanish a little bit? Portuguese? Okay,
Entendi que falou que se for.
okay, você...
Falou que eu não posso voltar para trás.
No, he speaks Portuguese, but like, I speak like, I know like, basically, I'm gonna explain to him like what he told him with the trespass warning. I was like, you understand what he said? He was like, no. So I'm just gonna explain to him. Você no puede volar desde el aeropuerto para 2 años.
Se eu vou voltar para trás, não posso voltar.
No, otro aeropuerto. ¿Entiendes?
Isso é pura merda, mano. Eu não hice nada. El muchacho me puso el piso sin hacer nada. Yo le dije, mira, mi vuelo se canceló. Y me puse el piso. Yo no hice nada, yo no resistí nada. Mira, tú ves como yo estoy, todo cagado. Yo no hice nada, yo no resistí. Mira, como tú me puse el piso. Yo llegó, yo estaba en el piso. ¿Tú viste? Yo no te resistí.
Yo no vi nada.
Did I try to resist you? I didn't do anything. I was in the floor.
Déjame decirte algo. Yo no estaba ahí. Cuando yo llegué, ya tú estabas sentado en el piso.
Hermano,
yo no vi nada.
Una cosa, yo no hice nada. Yo no soy una persona mala. What they doing to me, they destroy me, bro. They f me up. I'm not a bad person, bro. I have family, I have 2 kids. Yo no soy una persona mala, yo no soy un criminal. Yo le estaba diciendo a la muchacha, él me puso bravo conmigo. Oye, papi, I'm not, you mad at me? I'm just saying, I have a right to take a flight to Miami because me cancelaron el vuelo. Look at this. Look what they did to me. My face. I didn't do anything, bro. They gonna destroy my life.
Bro, I wasn't here, so I don't know what happened. So I have nothing to say.
Ese supervisor me acabaron con mi vida, man. Yo no hice nada. I know you know your fault, but they destroyed my life. I didn't do anything. I never touched him anything. I never was disrespectful as violent. I'm a good person. You know that. You feel bad. I know you feel bad.
I mean, dude, listen. I don't know. I don't feel any type of way, man. I mean, I'm trying to talk to you like a person.
You're a good person. You're a good person. I can tell you. Yeah, the new thing, man. Come on, there's a new car. This is the one. He's supervisor right there.
No, he's not supervisor.
No, yeah. No supervisor here.
Ultimately, the man faced 3 main charges. Violation after warning, section 810.08. When a person remains to argue after being asked to leave by a legal representative, this immediately becomes a criminal offense. Disorderly drunkenness, section 856.011. A state of impaired judgment due to alcohol, coupled with causing a disturbance and obstructing traffic in the waiting area, constitutes a criminal offense. Non-violent resistance, section 843.02. The act of tensing up and refusing to be handcuffed transformed from an administrative violation into an offense of obstructing a public officer. What is your assessment of the airport security team's handling of the situation? Please leave your comments below.